How to recover suspended Instagram account. So if you want to recover the suspended Instagram account, then let's follow the steps. So you might get this kind of interface on your Instagram, right? So if you get this kind of interface which says we suspended your account on this and this date, then you will have 30 days left to disagree with this decision. What you need to do is simply tap on disagree with decision, which is on the middle of your screen or the bottom of your screen. Simply tap on disagree with decision. Once you tap on it, you just need to simply go with I'm not a robot and just confirm that it's you and verify, and tap on the next. And you need to enter the email address associated with your account. Once you enter the email address, you need to tap on send code, and you will receive a code to your email address. So just open up your Gmail and go to your account, and you will get the confirmation code. You need to simply copy the confirmation code from there and paste it on your suspended page, and simply tap on next. And after that, it will ask you to enter the mobile number. So you just need to simply select the country code and then the mobile number, and then tap on next. And again, you will receive a 6-digit verification code on your mobile number. So enter that, and after that, again tap on next. And it will take you to a page where it says we are reviewing your info, and you will get a message on your Gmail from Meta that it looks like your account was disabled by mistake. Your account has been reactivated and you should be able to log in. We are sorry for any inconvenience. Once you get that message, you're good to go. So that's how you can recover your suspended Instagram account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.